Soyez le bienvenu! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. Welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Learn French through daily conversation and work life. Practice greeting and talk about your job, workplace, and satisfaction in simple A1 dialogue. It's easy, practical, and perfect for real life. Are you ready? Let's go! This is the continuation of our last conversation with chutuamo. Okay, so here it says still chutuamo, or you use chu because they are only your friends or your colleague. Okay. Mon bureau, my office.
Je travaille dans un bureau moderne et convivial. L'ambiance est collaborative et les projets sont stimulants et enrichissants.
Now he said, I work in a modern and friendly office where the atmosphere is collaborative and the projects are stimulating and enriching. So, yan po siya nagtatrabaho sa opisina at gustong-gusto niya ang trabaho niya dahil yan ay dahil sila ay nagtutulungan, magandang paligid at napakasigla at nagpapayaman sa kanilang lahat. Get it? So, mon bureau is my office.
Aimes-tu ton travail?
Do you like your job? So here is tutuamo because we use tu. Tu aimes ton travail, okay? Do you like your job, okay? So in here, so they discuss your work and your satisfaction that you share and what you like about your work and environment mo. So nag-uusap tinatanong niya kung gusto niya yung trabaho niya, okay? Merci.
Mon travail.
My work.
J'apprécie vraiment mon travail, surtout grâce à mes collègues. Ils sont toujours prêts à aider et à partager.
And he said, I really enjoy my job, especially thanks to my colleagues. They are always ready to help and share. So gustong-gusto daw po niya yung work niya. Okay? Merci.
Je te souhaite une excellente journée.
Merci à toi aussi. Au revoir. So pag chu is excellent job, tu te souhaite une excellente journée means have a nice day. Okay, and I said thank you. Bye. Merci et à bientôt. Thank you and see you soon. Conseil de pratique ou practice tips from a real French.
Pour améliorer vos compétences linguistiques, pratiquez la prononciation lentement. Répétez les phrases quotidiennement et utilisez des gestes pour communiquer.
So he said, to improve your language skills, practice pronunciation slowly, repeat sentences daily, and use gestures to communicate. Okay, ça c'est practice tips au conseil de pratique from a French man. Merci et bonne pratique. Okay, merci po. At sana po huwag kalimutang i-like, subscribe at i-comment po for more videos. Merci, au revoir.